Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Seebiedeebie, and today we're going to be trying on some Moitie lashes, which are these right here. They are beautiful. I am loving it. So if you guys want to see how I apply them, keep on watching. They did send me this beautiful package and I have not yet opened it. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what they sent me. All right, so here is the package. It is so beautiful. All right, so we got a little baggie here. All kinds of stuff. Okay, so we got a sealer, some gel remover, well, some eyelash remover. This is their glue. And then we got some of these little makeup remover cleansing towelettes. We got a lash applicator right here. Very pretty, love that. And then here are our lashes that we received. These are Los Angeles. These are Paris. And these looks really special. I'm not sure what these are, but they are beautiful. So I am going to be using Paris right here. So what I'm gonna do is follow the instructions. And it says for me to apply this super lash bond onto the top of my natural lashes. Okay, I wanted to get you guys in a little bit closer. Now it says to apply some bond to the back of the strip right here. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I think it says to look straight right on top. There we go. And now I'm gonna apply some more bond onto this second one right here. And push down this right on. Right on top. Ooh. And I think I'm just gonna use one more piece because these come in 5 pieces, but my eyes are a little bit smaller, so I'm just gonna go in with one more little tiny piece right there. But there we go. That's the first eye. Now I'm going to take the little brush that they have in here. They included this in every single package, and I'm just gonna brush out my lashes. These are very long and beautiful. Okay, so there we go, my first eye. And now we gotta work on the second eye. That's what it looks like from the side. That's what it looks like from the bottom. Those are 4 pieces. So I still have, I didn't use this piece right here. That was the middle piece right here. I didn't use that piece. So I just used those 4 right here. And now we're gonna finish up this eye. And I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through this eye just so you guys don't have to sit through it again. Okay, so I just finished up with this side and I'm gonna go ahead and fluff it out. It is on there pretty good, but they look beautiful. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go in and apply the seal. And you place it right under it, just like that, so you won't get stickiness under your eye. And there we go. These little wipes that they sent definitely was a huge help to remove the glue off the applicator. So just have like tissues on hands and these little wipes that they sent and a little Q-tip because I have some extra glue on my eyelids that I had to remove. These were sent to me by Moitie, so thank you so much for sending these items to me and letting me try them on. Absolutely love these lashes. They are so easy to apply and they can last up to 10 days. So I am super, super excited. They are so comfortable and lightweight. You can't even feel them on your lashes. Everything is linked down below to their website. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. And this is it for the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.